Welcome back, everybody. I guess I wanted to prove to myself how much of a struggle this is going to be. It's going to be 4 to 5 weeks in this splint, so I can't use this hand. And I'm working with a hand I don't normally work with, in a way I don't normally work with, all bundled up in a way I don't normally work. At least it's square-ish. No, it's square. Thanks so much for being there. Keep praying for me. It's going to be a long road to recovery. Mindfulness. In life, it can mean a lot of things. In our workshops, it means focus. It means to slow down, think things through, don't do dumb stuff. So, head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Keep it sharp, keep it safe, and be mindful. Walter out.